my name is Taylah Griffin. I'm Gungaloo Mob. I grew up in far north Queensland in a sugarcane town called Gordonvale. I studied electrical and aerospace engineering at QUT. I was the first Indigenous female to graduate from QUT with any engineering degree at all, and the first Indigenous person to hold my qualification. I now work as a test engineer at Boeing Defence Australia. So as a test engineer, I work on the wedge-tail platform. So there's three types of testing. There's ground testing, flight testing, and software testing. I work in the software testing space where we're testing the software that's used on the aircraft to make sure that it meets regulation and it does what it's supposed to do. It's just something I was interested in as a kid. I wasn't particularly nerdy about planes or anything, but it's just something I really loved. Growing up in a rural community, there wasn't a lot of opportunity for tertiary learning and to work in industry, which was something I was always passionate about. Growing up there really motivated me to seek out those opportunities, to leave my family and my friends to go to Brisbane and to study. And now I work at one of the largest aerospace technology companies in the world. Indigenous knowledge is extremely important in today's curriculum. Indigenous Australians have been here practicing science for thousands and thousands of years, and I think that our knowledge in traditional science is really complementary. I think that the more visibility we can create around those practices is the better. So when I think about my future, I think there are many different pathways I can take. I really love my job now though, and I really love working at Boeing, and I'd love to continue to work at Boeing and to move into a leadership position. Wherever I do end up, it's important to me that that company has a reconciliation action plan, which is what Boeing have at the moment. It just reaffirms to me that the company's values and my own are very much aligned when it comes to Indigenous Australia and to giving back. So my advice to other young Indigenous Australians would be to consider a future career in STEM. The future workforce is led by STEM, and I think it's very important that we take up those opportunities. I was the first person in my family to go to university, and I wasn't I wasn't the smartest kid at school. It took a lot of hard work and determination, but there's a lot of support networks at universities for Indigenous Australians to help them succeed and to get through it, and that's something I definitely took advantage of.